Hello once again, Jeff Scott from Jeff Teaches Programming. I'm looking out here quickly, and a couple people have viewed this, and one thing I realized when I got out here, if you look here, it says effective May 31st, the dedicated Web App Plus database, which is what we have, experience will be removed. All of its functionality is now integrated into the main web app experience under the database tab. So I'm going to try to redo this and hopefully do it the right way. So I'm going to come in here, and where we are right here in the top search bar, right here I'm going to put in app service. All right, and under services, I'm going to select it. And it says your unsaved edits will be discarded, and that's okay. Okay? All right. Now, we want to fill out, it says no app services to display. Yeah, okay. We want to click Create Web App. Looks familiar, I'm sure. The subscription, I'm going to leave it as it is. The resource group, I've already created one, so I'm going to use that one. The name should be the name of the app. I think this is what we're going to end up doing it as. So I'm going to put in here payroll-app-Jeff Teaches Programming. Now, if that works, hopefully when we get all done, we'll have all that .azurewebsites.net. Okay? All right. The runtime stack, we've been using .NET 8. The operating system is Windows. The region should be Central US. Pricing plan, this is Windows plan. Terms and action feature, yeah. Well, we'll see. All right. Well, I'm going to try to take what I have here. Do a print screen on it. Probably get rid of all those old ones. So let's do a paint. I'm going to leave that blank. And I'm going to do another paint so I can get rid of all the old ones later. Okay. I mean, it's smaller, so it would all fit on one screen. So, review and create. Now it says, click the database tab. It's right there. Click it at the top of the wizard. Okay. We're going to do, great. It's only available for basic or higher app service plans. Well, I'm not paying for this. So I tried skipping that. We'll see if this works. So I'm going to click Create. We went through this part before, so when it does get done, I'm going to take a look at it. Again, if you're watching this, I would skip video number 2. It says this is now complete. Okay. Let's print out again. Let's do this. Let's get rid of a bunch of these. I believe that's all of the old ones. All right. All right, it says it's complete. All right. I'm going to go to the resource here and see what this says. Oh, that's a lot of stuff. Again, I'm going to save this. All right. Now it says click through the remaining tabs, which I don't see, which are networking, deployment, networking, and monitoring. Adjusting as needed. Then click review and create. Azure will validate everything. Click create. Wait 2 to 5 minutes for the deployment. Well, I didn't do that, but I think it's already been deployed. All right. So hopefully it's created the database. We'll see. Let's go back to our project here. All right. And this is our PayrollASPNETInternet. So I want to right-click the project and choose Publish. Now it says, where are you publishing? I want Azure. Next. And I want Azure App Services, Windows, because we're not using Linux, and next. We did not find an Azure subscription. Good gravy. Make sure you are logged in and there's no errors. So I want to sign in with Jeff Teaches Programming at gmail.com. All right, I'm going to stop for just a second here. All right, I logged in, I think. Select the app service you just created. Hopefully that's it, because I know there's a finish there. Click Finish. In the Publish Summary screen, find the Service Dependencies section. It says here we're supposed to click Save. Find the services dependency link, which there it is. It's not the one I want to connect to. Well, maybe I'll have to use that database. I don't know. I wanted to make that PayrollASPNETInternet-03. All right. Damn it. There's a lot of stuff in these notes that I have that I'm not seeing here. Okay, it says it's publishing it. There's going to be a mistake in here, and that's what I don't like. Okay, I'm getting succeeded here down in the bottom. Well, looks like it's live. I'm not sure if this is working, not working, correct, not correct, etc. It looks like it. All right. This is the URL. I'm going to make a copy of it right here. put it in here so you can take a look. Make it bigger so you can hopefully see it. But if you do go out here now to https://payroll-app- Jeff Teaches Programming - this big hairy butt thing A3FBG2DYHYEYCCAW.CentralUS-01.AzureWebsites.net. That's the application. All right, not sure exactly how all of this worked. And it is grabbing, I believe, the wrong database right now. So I'm going to have to go back in and change that. But it's working. I'm just going to tell you what, I'm going to leave the whole flaming thing the way it is. If anybody tries this and has problems, feel free to email me at jeffteachesprogramming@gmail.com. I'm going to go on, and what I'm going to do next, just in case you care, is I'm going to go back and recreate this again. And I'm going to do this probably in two different ways, and that is I've already created the BMI and the payroll packages using JavaScript, CSS, and HTML. And I'm going to go back and quickly go over those. I don't want to spend a lot of time on them, but I want to do them. And then I want to go in, and I'm in the middle of starting, not going to lie, starting to teach myself TypeScript. And I want to convert all that stuff into TypeScript. See where that takes me. Okay, so that's the plan next. Hopefully you got something out of this. Like I said, let me know. Thanks.